Good morning. Good morning. Let's take our medication. So, indalo guys, inchaza ngoba noma ngabe kuthi unatha amasavana akho. Ayinankinga nje ivele it710. Kanti okunye guys, uma ngabe kuthi awufuna ukunatha imbita, uyakhona ukuthi unathe ama-T-Bags or uyakhona ukuthi unathe ama-capsules. Njengamanje guys, ngifuna kunatha lotion lo. It's for ukuthi iclean ebuso. As you can see guys, I'm clearing. So this is how you drink indalo yakho. You take 3 capsules 3 times a day. As you can see, no side effects guys. All right, lotion lengimnathayo guys, wokuglowa. So ngiyamqala kumnatha namuhla. So let's wait for results. Kana kuphelele la kuba ikhombo, uyakhona ukuthi uthole nalamanye amaphilisi latolekelela skin. Uyakhona nokuthi uthole what's this, apply la busweni. So guys, mina ngifuna glow. Nayi indalo enhle is here for you and for me as well. So Korea everywhere, South Africa, using Pixie and Korea guy. Maningi ama-plug, as you can see la phasi, tinhlobo to shuni. Ngayiphandle ngane. I leave you numbers. Love you guys. Bye.